These are Māori words for things that aren't seen but are certainly felt. The first is wairua. We all have one. It's described as the spiritual being within us, and it carries on and exists after we're long gone. The second is mana, or authority. Mana has a presence about it that we can all feel. You've probably heard someone say before, you're in the presence of greatness. And that greatness you feel is often the mana of the individual. Next we have ihi and wehi. When you witness an amazing spectacle from an individual or a group of people, they exude ihi. And when we witness ihi, it invokes something or triggers something inside of us, and that feeling is wehi. The next is Māori, the life force of the individual. You've probably heard the saying, Tihei Māori ora, I sneeze forth the breath of life. Our Māori is our life force, that which is extinguished upon death. And finally we have aroha, or love, the invisible force that binds so many of us together.